Hi folks, this is the fifth in my series of Stay Safe During Covid-19 videos where I'm repeating ancient simple builds that I hope will help pass the time for those of you in isolation. Once again, free plans are available to download. Enjoy and stay safe. I'm at a big box store picking up some spruce for a charity project I'm doing. Always pick out your own lumber if you can, and you can discard damaged, twisted and warped boards like these. The project was a set of garden planters based around the same design but just different heights, and you can find a model for it together with plans on my website. The first job was to cut the studding to length and rip to width for the rails and stiles, and then to glue up all the boards to make the raised panels. Each of the planters required 16 mortises and tenons, for which I used the Trend mortise and tenon jig, and for comparison I also did some of the tenons on the table saw. The grooves for the panels were ploughed using the router table, and the ends of all the rails and stiles received a chamfer. Then it was time to test fit all the frames. With the panelling material glued up, it's time to cut 16 panels to length and then rip them to width. And here I'm using my homemade tenoning jig to raise the panels. The 4 frames in each planter are attached by glue and screws. Pocket holes being used to join the top and bottom rings. Then the 4 corner posts are glued in. The raised panels added. And the top glued on. Free plans can be found by clicking on the link in the top right hand corner or following the link in the description below. Then I glued and pinned some oak feet on to keep the softwood off the ground. So here they are, all finished. I've added a removable base, which is easily taken in and out. And I think they look quite nice. I'll be putting free plans on my website. And if you build any, please send me some pictures. Cheerio! Look after yourselves and don't forget to subscribe to see videos every day during the COVID-19 problems.